Where's my hug at, bro? Where's my hug at?
Bro, I swear.
Where we at? What's up, guys? They watching another video. We just made it here to Mexico. Another Mexico vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna name it anything Mexico because we've been getting demonetized on YouTube. Every single vlog, every single upload been getting demonetized, guys. Mostly the racing stuff like this gets demonetized. I don't know why, but anyways, we're gonna make another Mexico vlog today. There's a bunch of sick cars out here. Look, a Hellcat. This thing is sick, bro. Obviously my favorite car here, and obviously my dream car, dude. This shit is sick. Is he about to start it, bro? Guys, this is literally my dream car. SVJ. It's so crazy because like right here there's all Hellcats, Evos, BMWs everywhere, and then an SVJ. Oh, I need it, bro. Must be nice, dude. Is that Drake Bill?
What up, homie?
What's up, bro? How are you? Look at the wing. It's all carbon fiber. Shit's beautiful, bro. God, it's my dream car.
It's my boy.
You guys are friends now? What's happening, Jay? Who's racing, bro?
We got this right here
Hellcat?
versus a Whipple 5.0.
So I guess this thing is racing tonight, guys. This Hellcat with a fat tire on the back. This guy's actually the same owner as the blue RS3 in my last video, if you guys remember that one. My boy has two sick-ass cars. Two fast-ass cars. And then there's other Hellcats, Mustangs, Hellcat. There's a lot of Hellcats here. This one's crazy too. Look at this thing, guys. Sick-ass Supra, bro. Damn. Oh my God, this one's even crazier. I've seen this on all over Instagram. This shit is hard, bro. My boy has like the perfect fitment on this. Perfect wheel setup, literally. That has to be one of the best looking Supras. And it's red, which makes it even better. But this tire setup is just insane, bro. Look at that. Guys, I don't think you know, but these wheels are hella expensive. I actually want them on the GTR. The cleanest Supra ever, bro.
That shit is insane, bro.
The fitment is fire, dude.
He's for sure rubbing if he squats, no?
I don't know.
That's for sure like his fender.
That shit looks like about to pop a
liner.
wheelie.
Yeah, that's it.
What is this? Damn, better fitment than David. Bro, literally the same wheel setup as David, but David needs to lower his car, bro. Like ASAP. This one's sick too, huh?
His tire setup.
I like coming here because like it's a whole completely different scene than what we usually go to. They're all race cars here, guys. Like everyone's on drag packs, wilds, beadlocks, everything. Literally all stock, and it's beautiful. You don't even need to do anything to it. Oh, I want one of these Corvettes, guys. My favorite Corvette year for sure. That was crazy, guys. I don't know who won, but who won, bro?
Trevor said he blew his motor.
No way.
And he got his doors blown off.
He blew this motor?
No.
Oh, the other guy blew his motor.
The Mustang.
Oh, shoot.
The Mustang blew his motor and he got his doors blown off.
These cars are crazy, guys. Look at this BMW. This is probably hella fast. I don't trust these, bro. I've gotten smoked by these before.
Hey, but at least it's something simple that you could just get back out here tomorrow or whatever.
Did it happen after or?
Like
when all the pressure was let off?
Like, yeah, like so what you doing? Like at 1:30 around there.
So what happened? This Mustang blew up? That sucks, bro. In the middle of the race, guys.
Because we don't want them to look like this.
Why are you guys watching at my house?
You know, there's the parts.
Look at this, guys. All the homies pulled up. We got Jimmy in the NSX, the beautiful NSX. We got Hugo washing the E92.
For no reason, because we ain't gonna do shizzle.
I know. And then my GTR, they want to wash it, but I'm not down, bro. I'm lazy. You guys can watch it. Chill Saturday afternoon. Don't know what we're gonna get into tonight, but
Photo shoot.
we'll see. I don't know. But we got an NSX. We got a B58, the B58 King. Guys, Hugo just drove this.
So sick. I did not expect the car to drive that smooth, bro.
Really?
Honestly, drive smoother than my car. I swear to God, I don't know why. It's probably because I just beat on my car so much. But
This thing
bro,
is
the
mint.
car
That's
drives so
why.
smooth.
It's so nice. Look at this, guys. I've never been in an NSX. I've never driven one. I've never done any. I haven't even seen one up close. But this car's so low, guys. I don't think you understand how low it is. Like it's tiny, bro.
I gotta tell people, when you're sitting down, you're literally like this low.
I feel like you could jump over it. But yeah, this car is sick, guys. Jimmy's NSX. You can even see the engine bay in the back right here. It's so sick. Should we drive it, guys? Should I?
Here, fuck it.
I've never driven one, bro. Kind of scared Jimmy.
Hit the VTEC real quick.
If you guys, oh my god, I almost
I'm
fell.
about to die.
If you guys remember, I drove Jimmy's R32 for a vlog once. And that thing was sick. But he sold the R32, and now he has this. And what else do you have? You still have the Corvette?
I still have the Corvette.
Ah, he still has a C7 too. I want to drive that.
Dude, yeah.
He also has a C706, which is badass, but this is his little JDM car.
Let's do it. Come on.
Look at the door handle, bro. This is crazy. I've never even been inside an NSX, you know that?
Really?
Bro, it's so nice, Jimmy. Look at this. What year is this?
96.
96?
It's old, dude.
It's kind of like my E36. My E36 was 97.
Okay, so it's like around the same, you know,
Same
time
era.
period.
I wish I still had it. We could have been cruising. But this car is low.
Look how low he is.
I felt,
You
dude.
literally sucked my Stop by the F80 so they could compare how low it is compared to the F80.
What the?
Keep going.
Is it?
Yeah.
Honestly, you can get first gear super clean.
Why is he doubting me, bro? I could drive this.
Bro, yeah, this thing's
Watch
easy.
this
Bro,
first
you
try.
drove the R32.
First try, look.
First try?
First try, brother.
Damn. Oh. Alright, we good.
How'd you do donuts in this car?
I don't know, bro. I just kind of prayed.
It definitely feels like an older car.
Yeah, huh?
But it seems like such a fun car to just cruise.
Right here, stop next to the F80 real quick so he's just gonna see how, like.
Yeah, this thing is low. Compared to F80, it's still small. What the? I like it. Wait, this comes off?
Yeah.
No way. You could drive with it down?
Yeah.
I don't think you've ever seen an NSX with the top down.
Should we take it off real quick? Yeah.
I'm down.
Alright.
Would it look weird?
I don't know. We'll see
Have you ever seen it or no?
I've never even driven it with the top down.
But I don't think you've ever seen an NSX with the top down, bro. You can help him.
But
We're really taking the roof off, guys.
Oh my god, drop top manually.
I did not know you could take the roof off of an NSX.
oh, this is out of nowhere in Miami. Where you at, bro?
Oh yeah? Now I can see myself driving in this, bro, for sure.
he brought summer to spring.
This will be fun. Does it look funny? Do people really drive like this? I don't
Bro.
think I've ever seen an NSX with the top down.
I know, I never seen it with the top down either. Top
I
off.
didn't even think that was possible.
Not all of them are Targas. It's only like a couple years.
So does it make it more rare?
A little bit.
This is Jimmy's first time driving with the top down.
This one stalls, bro.
I'm not gonna stall, bro.
Yeah.
I'm too good.
On the hill, watch me, he's the hill.
I'm not going
On the hill.
I'm too scared for that. Is it fast?
A little bit. Go hit the VTEC right now.
Told you.
How do you get this shit so smooth?
It feels like it has an e-brake on.
That's
There you
what I
go.
thought you had. I was like, oh, you have the e-brake.
There you go. You just have to get used to it. It's not too
Not
bad.
bad.
Let me turn traction off. Just
Oh no.
no, just don't worry about it.
It feels so different compared to anything I've driven.
Alright, F it. Alright, do a pull so you can feel the VTEC.
What the heck? Is that really VTEC?
Yeah!
I've never like understood what VTEC really is. What is it?
I don't know, it has to do with the cams, but basically it like,
It like kicks in?
yeah, it changes like your cam profile or
Bro, I
whatever.
feel like it was like slowly creeping up, and then right when it hit VTEC, that shit went
Yeah.
faster. That's crazy. I'm not a Honda guy, bro. I don't know.
And we're with the top down, you can actually hear it.
Bro, you should drive with the top down sometimes.
Bro,
It's actually sick.
Go to the beach.
It's a vibe, bro.
look, he is a vibe.
Bro, it's actually fun to drive. It's sick.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
Yes, bro. It's so hard. I like the top down. You
Yeah.
got a car me like this.
Hell yeah.
I did not know they were top, like drop top.
Yeah, I think it's only like, well, I know 96 and 97 are Targas.
I feel like the steering's hard to steer on.
Oh yeah, so they don't have power steering. Only like the super late ones have power steering.
No wonder I was like, it was really like different. That's what I'm saying. I don't know how you did donuts.
So I don't know how I did them either, man. It just kind of prayed that it would have worked. Now you know what VTEC is?
Dude, you can really feel it. It's kind of fun.
That's not bad for a freaking old ass car, dude.
I like old cars though. That's why I really wish I kept the E36.
Yeah, it's a vibe.
They would have been on the same year.
R32 or this?
I'm still gonna take your R32.
Oh hell yeah, that thing was fast.
I love R32, and it was so fast. It was crazy. So scared of letting go.
Dude, the R32 had a twin disc clutch. That thing was actually kind of hard.
It was hard, but I felt like I was doing leg workout. Yeah, it's not the fastest, but it's fun, bro. It's cool to see the beach.
Dude, hell yeah.
We're not close to the beach.
DCH?
I bet you Hugo was all happy, huh?
Yeah, dude.
You don't understand, guys. Hugo's been talking about this car for like years. Since the day I met him, he was like, I want an NSX. So like now that Jimmy has one, I let him drive it. That's what I like.
You got to think about it though. For the time, like if you would have driven this car, you know, in like 1997, it would have been pretty cool. You know, like
crazy.
Like yeah, now everything's hella fast, but back then
it looks like a little supercar.
Yeah.
You know? It really does, bro.
It was a Japanese supercar, you know.
Like to this day, it still looks like very unique. So imagine back then, yeah, that's fucking crazy. I gotta drive the 06 next.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jimmy has a C7 06, guys. That shit's sick.
That one's actually fast.
And it's fast. The radio works?
Yeah.
Wow.
Damn, dude. There you go.
Everything
The
works.
old music, dude.
I know. Oh my god, there's really no power steering, bro.
Bro, it's arm day, bro.
My first time ever driving an NSX.
Got the VTEC.
My first time ever hitting VTEC, bro. Guys, look at the roof. It's so scary. Don't drop it.
I'm not gonna drive it.
Alright, I'll grab this side.
Yeah. I don't scratch nothing.
There you go.
Damn, it looks pretty cool with the top down though. I did not know that, guys, that they come in like a Targa top, whatever you said it. Definitely fun to cruise in.
Did it drive smooth?
It's smooth, bro. Like, it's like a
Smooth
cool
as
little
hell.
cruise car. You know, it's only 1 year apart than my 36.
You know I'm a year older than that car.
Yeah, you're old, brother. Hugo's old as hell.
I actually love the car a lot, bro. Now that I drove.
Nah, you gotta drive with the top down. That's the vibe.
Hey, Loki, it was a vibe.
Bro, it's actually sick
That
to
was the first
cruise
time-
like that.
Yeah, it's the first time I've been in it with the top down, and it was a vibe.
That's sick. I kind of want a convertible. I'm gonna get a convertible F80.
I don't want David driving.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 20.